Akshit, the weather looks so nice today. Do you want to go to the park?
Yes, Janvi, that sounds like a great idea.
We can play with a ball and have a picnic.
Perfect! We can also fly kites if it's windy enough.
Yes, let's do it.
Ready to head to the park now? Hey Akshit, what happened to you? Why are you so worried? Is everything okay?
No, Janvi. Today I was studying about prepositions in, on, under, near and behind. But it is not clear to me. I am confused. I don't know what to do.
No problem, Akshit. I will explain it to you. Akshit, do you see that big tree over there?
Yes, Janvi. It is right in the middle of the park.
Exactly. In is a preposition that are used here. We use it to say something is inside a place or surrounded by something. Like when we say the bird is in the nest or the toys are in the box.
Oh, that's why we say something is in when it's inside something else.
Akshit, let's sit on this bench. I'm so tired now.
Sure, Janvi. It's nice to sit on the bench and look at the clouds.
Right. When we sit on something like this bench, we use the word on. It shows that we are supported by something. We also say the book is on the table or the cup is on the shelf.
Ah, got it. So we use on when something is located in the defined space.
Akshit, look! There is a dog under the tree.
Yeah, it is sitting under the shade of the tree.
Under is used when something is below or beneath something else, like the dog is sitting under the tree. We also say the cat is under the bed or the pen is under the book.
Oh, okay. So under means something is below something else.
Akshit, the fountain is near the flower garden.
Yes, it is right next to the flowers.
Near means close to something, like how the fountain is close to the flower garden. We also say the keys are near the door or the chair is near the table.
See, so near is used when something is close to something else. Janvi, look! There's a blue butterfly behind us.
Yes, it's fluttering around the flower.
What does behind mean?
Behind means at the back of something, like how the butterfly is behind the wall. We also say the book is behind the laptop or the sun is behind the clouds.
Oh, got it. So behind is used when something is at the back of something else.
Akshit, learning about prepositions was fun, right?
Yes, Janvi, I never realized how many prepositions we use every day.
Yes, it's important to understand them.
Definitely. Thanks for explaining everything, Janvi.
You're welcome, Akshit.